Alright, so this is a super important video. This is talking about how to go ahead and scale your keywords when they do well on Google AdWords for your YouTube ads. I've seen no one talk about and go this in depth in a YouTube video, and I'll be literally showing you guys with a live example. I'll be scaling one of my keyword campaigns and I'll bring you guys on the whole process. I wouldn't be able to give you guys the exact keywords because I don't want you guys to go ahead and use those keywords. But yeah, this is going to be the whole video on how to go ahead and scale your keyword campaigns. Let's jump straight into it, no BS. So as you can see, I've spent $373.95 Australian on this campaign. It's cold traffic targeting dropshipping keywords. We've got an average cost per click of $1.63, which is amazing. Average cost per view of 0.5 cent, which is super good, which means there's room for scalability. And I've got 5 conversions at nearly $75 per conversion, which is pretty profitable for me. So let's go into the keywords. So as you can see, majority of our conversions came from one keyword, which is pretty crazy. And also pretty good. The average cost per view is 4 cents. Yeah, it spent a lot on this keyword. So this is a keyword we could scale out. Here's what I'd like to do. Wow. So this keyword, so when you can unlock it, is dropshipping in Shopify. We spent $45 and average cost per click is $3.48. So in order to get this down to under $2, the average cost per view is at 6 cents. If I bring it down to 0.03 cent, whoops, that's 0.4, let me do that, 0.3. If the cost per view gets cut in half, I'll be able to get the same amount of clicks at half the cost, and then that would cut the cost per click in half. So that's how you optimize a keyword as well. So for example, here's another one. This one's at 6 cents, $2.54. So if I wanted to get it under $2, 0.6 cent divided by 2 on 2.5, I'm at times by 2. Yeah, 0.03, this should do the trick. So I'm gonna keep it there for now. This one's super expensive. At 5 cents, it's that. So I didn't bring this all the way down to 1 cent because at 5 cents, the cost per click is at $5. So I need to bring it down to 1 cent maximum cost per view. Oh wow, $8 and 0 clicks. So I'm just gonna, actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it at 0.01. This one's 0.01 as well. So rather than killing them, since I have room to, I'll just see if these keywords become profitable if the maximum cost per view is at 1 cent. This is profitable, not gonna touch that. This one, not. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select all the ones that are expensive that I need to change to 0.1 cent. So all these two, edit, change max bid, set new bid to 1 cent per view. This one I'm going to change to 3 cents because at 6 cents it's giving me a click cost per click of $3. So if I bring it to 3 cents, it should give me a cost per click of 1.5, and everything else has not spent enough. So that's how you go ahead and optimize things. Now let's go ahead and scale. So this keyword is doing very well. I'm going to go ahead and copy this keyword, just going to keep it blurred. I'm going to use an app called TubeSift. Now I'm going to go to keyword ideas, and then what this does is put in YouTube. I could put in a keyword, so my winning keyword, and what it'll do will populate a bunch of similar keywords to that winning keyword that I could go ahead and use and add to the campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and select all the keywords, export selected. I'm going to copy, go to the campaign, plus, I'm going to paste it all in. And right now, based on that top winning keyword, I have an idea of something that is similar to that term. So I'm going to search that term that I want and find a bunch of similar keywords to that term and basically turn one term into like 50. So I just added like another 100 keywords to scale this out that is similar to the winning keyword that got us 4 freaking conversions very profitably. And now I need to watch this like a hawk, because when you add in 100 new keywords, the campaign just starts spending drastically, and you want to watch it to make sure you can optimize the cost per view, pause things that you should pause. And every time you pause a keyword, you want to add it to your TubeSift keyword. Like you want to add it into the negative list so you don't ever get that keyword again. So that's another quick hack. So if you go to TubeSift, there's this negative keyword list. Every time you kill a keyword, add it to this so you don't have that keyword ever reoccurring again. So yeah, that's how you go ahead and scale keywords. It's literally that simple. People make it very complicated. I think the optimization, that part is a bit hard. If you guys aren't too sort of number savvy, if things are not profitable or if you're getting expensive cost per click, you can just turn off and pause that keyword. You don't have to optimize and find a cheaper cost per view where it might be profitable. You just pause it. I think that'll be more simpler for you. But yeah, that's the whole process. I literally took you guys from A to Z, showed you guys the whole process. Question of the day: how do you scale your keywords? Let me know in the comments below. Other than that, let's go ahead and announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, a consulting course with me. The winners here. If you guys want to qualify, all to do is drop a comment below, follow my Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. I just want to say thank you for your time, and hopefully you guys could just help me with the like, help me with the subscribe, to just say thank you for all the value I give on every single video, because I don't ask for anything on these daily free YouTube videos. Thank you so much for your time. Peace.